We're going to take a look today at the Ready, Set, Go from task 8.1, Juanita's Quilts. Our Ready problems asked us to find the product of two linear binomials. We can find the product of two linear binomials using a couple of different methods. We will look at using the FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last. So we start by multiplying the first term in the first binomial, x, with the first term in the second binomial, 5x. Then we multiply the outer terms together, x times 2. We get 5x squared plus 2x. The inner terms are negative 6 and 5x, which gives us negative 30x. And the last terms in each binomial are negative 6 and 2, giving us negative 12. We combine our like terms to give us the standard form 5x squared minus 28x minus 12. In the task today, we were asked to develop the use of an area diagram to support factoring polynomials where a equals 1. We know that this box is represented by side lengths x times x. Our top rectangle is represented by x plus 3, and our side of the rectangle is represented by x plus 1. This is the length times the width of the rectangle. X times x is x squared. Each of these small rectangles is represented by 1 times x. The area of each is x. This rectangle on the bottom is also x times 1, which has an area of x. And each of these small squares over here is represented by 1 times 1, which gives us 1. We can combine these in the standard form x squared plus 4x plus 3. Let's look at a few more examples of this. We've got the polynomial x squared plus 5x plus 6. We want to know what the lengths of the sides will be. We know we have a box x by x, and 5 x's, and 6 1's. How can we make these fit into a rectangle? Let's try this way. But what do we do with these extra 2 that are left over? Let's move another x up, and then we can reorganize our squares so that we show x plus 2 times x plus 3. When FOILed back together, we'll get x squared plus 5x plus 6. What about the polynomial x squared plus 3x? We'll start with our box, x by x, and 3 x's. So one side of the box is x, one side of the box is x plus 3, and when FOILed back together, we get x squared plus 3x. Next, we're looking at writing expressions for area and finding the area of the shaded region here. First, we want to find the area of the whole rectangle. X plus 1 times 5x is 40x squared plus 5x. We use the distributive property. Then we find the area of the non-shaded rectangle, x times 3x plus 1. Using the distributive property again, we get 3x squared plus x is the area of the non-shaded rectangle. We want to subtract that from the area of the whole. We have to distribute this negative sign in front of 3x squared plus x. And we get x squared, 40x squared minus 3x squared plus 5x minus x. To find our area of the shaded region is 37x squared plus 4x.